Eto na naman sa EDSA kahabaan, I keep riding on. But everything you do in your life, you should learn at least something. Ang talent ko ay manggulo ng buhay ng ibang tao, di ba? Hello guys, how are you? So, for today's video guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa mall ng Bang Chao. Nandito kami ngayon sa Bang Chao Station. Ayan, kita nyo. Ayan. So, pupunta kami doon. Nagyayaya si Patrick kasi daw, gusto daw niya kumain ng sushi. Hindi ako mahilig sa sushi, pero gusto ni Patrick yun. Kaya sabi niya, kakain na lang daw kami sa labas ngayon. Hindi ako magluluto. Actually guys, dapat hindi kami lalabas ngayon. Pupunta si Patrick sa kaibigan niya. Kaya lang kinasal ng kaibigan niya. So, kami na lang rin ang magbabanding. Nagkaroon pa kami ng date, dalawa. Nung bagong dating ako dito sa Taiwan, nung pumunta ako ng Taipei, dito kami unang bumaba. So, ito yung lugar na napuntahan ko, bandang Taipei. Tapos naligaw kami. Hinahanap niya yung mall. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin namin doon. Sushi lang naman yung pupuntahan namin eh. So, let's go! Shit. Ah! So, ayan. Global. Ayan, global. I want to stay. Kapag Pasko guys, dito yung famous na place kung saan naglalagay sila ng sobrang daming Christmas light. As in, bawat street. Wait, there is a house. Run! Why they have to do that? Babe, I think I know the mall you're talking about. This is the global mall.
Yeah. No,
That's what you're talking about?
no, that's not the global.
I know what you're talking about. Maybe we went there before, like on Christmas.
No, it's farther away from here.
Yeah, but we went there, I'm telling you. That's a big mall. Diba?
There's one mall there, but this is a different mall.
Oh. So, where the sushi restaurant?
Yeah, yeah.
Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. So, daming tao, diba? Where? Why everyone is pro-rosy? Run! Pwede na naman sa EDSA kahabaan, I'll be riding on. This one? Medyo malayo-layo nang nilalakad namin guys. Aba, itong mukong na to para lang sa sushi na restaurant. Ang layo pa nang nilalakad ay napakarami namang sushi restaurant. Why did you choose this place?
Well, because I was already thinking to eat sushi with full, so now I still want to eat sushi.
Yeah, but there's a lot of restaurant. Diba?
Yeah, but I thought maybe it will rain, so I also wanted to go to the mall. And I thought maybe it's a good mall. Let's see.
Okay, Doki, let's run! Run! Eto na naman sa EDSA kahabaan, I keep riding on. You know that song? Babe, that's the bus. Laki ng bus dito, no? I keep riding on. Babe, what is that building?
What building?
That one.
Like apartment.
That's not apartment.
Yeah, like luxury apartment.
Babe, why this place is kind of province? Like Tansi, Taichung.
It is.
Yeah, it's like, unlike Taipei. Wow, the motor. Look at the motorcycle, guys.
We're just outside of the Taipei. That's
BMW. Babe, that one is expensive, diba? I saw the motorcycle is says BMW.
yeah.
And they have to charge. Yes, nandito na kami mga guys. Nandito na kami. Ayan. Diba? Sa haba-haba ng nilakad namin, nakarating din kami. Masakit na yung mga paa ko. Mamaya, awayin ko na naman ito. Baby, wait. Let's wait. Sana all willing mag-adjust. Charis! Wow, this is a big mall, babe. Really? It is? Glorieta? What's the name of the hotel? Global?
Local mall.
Okay, let's go inside and let's see what's... Good job. Ipagbukas mo ko ng picture. Wow. Pumunta dito para lang sa sushi. Hindi naman kami mag-shopping. Kasi walang pang shopping.
It looks like the Taiwan or the Taiwan mall.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. So cute, diba? I wanna see her face. It's Hello Kitty. It's really cute. Tada! It's really... Ay, kabayo! Sorry. Hello Kitty, di ba?
Maybe, I don't know.
It's Hello Kitty. Who's inside?
Yeah.
It's really cute. Babe, if we have a kid, maybe we can do like that.
Yeah.
Biglang gustong magkaanak eh, no? Awit. Ang daming mga murang shoes. Wow. I like this. Wow.
It's on another floor.
Napakamahal. Gusto ko to eh, pero ang mahal pala nito. Iniwanan na ako nung isa walang hiya. Ganda guys eh. Signature. Sushi.
B2.
Huh?
B2. Is this B? Oh, this is B2, diba?
Yeah.
It must be here somewhere.
Maybe over there.
Maybe with us.
So, nakita na namin siya guys. Ano?
两位下来宾493号。
Mapahirapan pa yata sa pagre-register dito or may pa...
480号480号。
跟你收号码牌，有来过用餐吗？购买用餐时间1个小时，67号桌就好了。
Good.
you just do it without asking. Yung naghula-hula lang siya pag paano kumuha ng number guys. Hindi naman siya marunong magbasa ng English. Tingnan natin mamaya kung tama yung kakalabasan niya. What is your number?
I think maybe we just don't need to wait. It will be too long time to go.
7? Sobrang tagal at ang daming nakapila guys. Kaya pinag-iisipan namin kung dito kami kakain or sa iba na lang. 7.
No, it's say now 4:08, so we have so long time. Let's just go another one.
Oh, so lilipat kami guys. Ayaw niyang mag-antay. Kasi itong tao na to, ayaw nito nang nag-aantay. Itong mahabang pila. Kasi may ang pasensya nito. So, what are we gonna eat?
I guess we need to find another.
Ang layo ng nilakad namin for this restaurant and then sa sobrang dami ng tao, ayun, nag-ended up kami sa wala. Hahanap kami ng bago. Kasi pag weekend talaga guys, lalo na kapag Sunday, tawag dito, family time ng mga Taiwanese. Kaya medyo talagang sihipan. Punuan. Daming tao. Oh my gosh. Na-stress ako. Where are we going now? One day, magkakaroon din tayo yan. Claim it. Charis. For the dream ba? Uy. Ako si Panda. Is it Panda? No, it's not Panda. It's beer, di ba? Yeah. It's not Panda. Maganda guys. Madaming paninda pero wala kaming pang shopping. Kailangan natin magtipid. I-prioritize ang mga dapat i-prioritize. Are you sad about the sushi?
Yes.
Alam ko naman eh. Ang layo kasi ng nilakad namin. Tapos dinayo pa namin itong Bangchao from Taipei. Tapos ganun. Babe, you know that when I was a kid,
What happened when you were a kid?
when I was a kid, we can go in the mall.
Why?
Because we don't have money.
Oh.
And we live in jungle.
Oh.
That's why you always call me jungle girl. Oh my God. You embarrassed?
No.
Alam niyo ba, lagi niya sinasabi, unggoy daw ako. Di ba? You always told me I'm a monkey.
No, I didn't.
Pasok muna kami ng Muji, guys. Muji's. Masarap kaya. I will buy this. So, nandito kami ngayon guys sa food court kasi nga, inaantay namin yung number namin. Tapos mamaya, pag hindi pa rin, pag marami pa rin pila, baka dito na lang kami kumain. Kita niyo napakaraming tao. Ganyang karami ang tao dito sa labas. Alam niyo pa kasi yung mga Taiwanese, tamad mga magluto sa bahay. Usually, nag-order lang sila or kumakain lang sa labas. So yeah guys, bali dito na lang kami sa food court kakain kasi nga yung sushi, sobrang tagal pa ng pila tapos open lang siya hanggang alas 10. Tapos yung number namin ay 700 pa, my gosh. Kaya ang ended up ay dito na lang. Tapos, medyo naiinis nga si Patrick kasi ang layo talaga ng nilakad namin para lang dun. Pero okay na rin yun. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-sushi na lang sila nung kaibigan niya next time. Nandun siya bumibili ng pagkain. So yan na guys, yung food na binili ni Patrick. Kakain na kami. That's it guys. Yummy.
I knew it's possible that the sushi place would be too busy, but when I tried to make like the on my phone reservation, but the internet was not working.
Tapos na kaming kumain guys and nandito kami ngayon sa bookstore. Niyaya ako ni Patrick dito. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa books. Mahilig lang ako sa chismis. Si Patrick kasi mahilig sa mga ganyan, magbasa. Pag mga Western people talaga ang hihilig sa books. What? June?
Let's watch the movie later, okay?
This the same?
Last night I watched the #1 movie, but there's 2 movies. So later we can watch. It's action movie, okay?
But you know that's why I slept last night early. It's because I don't like what you're watching.
But you didn't even give it a chance. You just are mad at me and then you just go.
Wow, may halong katan yun. So, bibili siya nung book na pinapanood niyang movie kagabi. Tapos tinulugan ko lang siya. Paano? Nabuisit ako kagabi sa kanya.
Let's look over there for a minute.
Dami niyang aklat daw. Pagkatapos naman wala na. Pinapamigay na rin niya. What did you learn from that movie last night? Tell me.
I just thought it was interesting. I didn't really learn anything.
But everything you do in your life, you should learn at least something. Even you watch a movie, you know, even you admire someone, at least you learn something from them. Like even you're in a relationship with me, you can learn something from me. Like what I did and what I do and what I have.
Come here. I love you.
Ako lang ba yung mahina sa ganito? Hindi ako makabuo. Actually, wala naman akong talent. Tanggap ko na yun sa buhay ko. Ang talent ko ay manggulo ng buhay ng ibang tao, di ba?
Kids like this game.
What is this?
Students always like it.
What is that? Puzzle?
Oh, it's like a game you can play in a group.
Yes, logo si Panda. So guys, tapos na kami sa mall and naglalakad na kami ngayon pa uwi papunta sa Bangchao Station kasi doon kami sasakay ng MRT papunta ng Taipei. Here? Here? So, yeah, it was a good date. Is it a date?
Yeah,
It's a date. Actually, dapat si Cole yung i-date mo eh. You're sad because you did not meet your friend.
it's okay. I'm happy to spend time with you.
Wait. Be very careful. So guys, medyo malayo-layo yung lalakadin namin kaya
Layo-layo naman comment, diba?
malayo-layo. Can you sing what I'm singing lately? It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nalamig? Do you like the food we ate?
Yeah, it's good. Maybe if we eat the sushi, it's too much food, right?
Yeah, disappointed guys kasi alam nyo kung bakit kami pumunta dito because Patrick wants to try the sushi restaurant there but suddenly
It's Honduran.
it's 100. Sobrang dami ng tao at talagang hindi na namin maantay. Babe, here. You're wrong.
I just want to see the
Oh. Tingnan mo tumukong na to kung
maybe
saan pa.
shortcut.
Shortcut daw, shortcut. Babe,
Cut down.
this is dangerous place.
Oh.
Where are you going, my gosh? Kung saan na naman ako dinadala nitong mokong na to. Kung saan na naman kami maglililiko nito. So, ayun nga guys, hindi kami nakakain ng sushi. Yung pa naman yung pinunta namin dito. Pero okay lang. 'Di ba? Still okay? You can just eat sushi with your friends next time.
Yeah.
Favorite niya kasi guys ang sushi. Kung marunong lang akong gumawa, ipagagawa ko to araw-araw. Kaso hindi. Kaya sa food court na lang akong kumain. Wala kaming choice kung hindi sa food court na lang kumain. Pero yung kinain naman namin is masarap pa rin. Babe, I told you you will get the noodles. We don't eat noodles. We just ate rice. Hindi na kami. Gusto sana namin guys mag-ice cream.
For some reason, I thought that one is noodles, but it's not. It is rice. Oh, my
Yeah.
fault. Yeah, I just realized that.
Gusto sana namin mag-ice cream guys. Kaya lang, ang dami naming dessert sa apartment ni Patrick kasi last night gumawa kami ng Graham and still nasa bridge pa. Wala pang bawas yun. Diba? Diba? So, yun na lang. At ang daming cookie na binigay nung nung katrabaho niya, pati mga fruits. Masisira na naman yun kung hindi ako pumunta dito. Hindi gagalawin yun ni Patrick. Ginagaya niya ako. Are you copying my words? Why are you studying Tagalog? You're learning Tagalog? So anyway guys, dito na natin tatapusin ang ating vlog. This is all for today's video guys, and thank you for joining us again, and yeah, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and
Share.
share. So, bye-bye guys. See you next time. See you. Bye-bye, babe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.